AI is no longer a luxury, it's a marketing essential. But with hundreds of tools launching every month, how do you know which tools actually help you grow? Well, in this video, I'm breaking down the top 5 AI tools every digital marketer must know in 2025, tools that save time, boost sales, and give you a real competitive edge. So let's not waste time, let's jump straight in. Blue Square, top 5 AI tools every digital marketer should know. Keycap 1 Tool number 1, ChatGPT. Starting strong with a tool every marketer needs, ChatGPT. But listen, ChatGPT is more than a content tool. It's a complete marketing assistant. ChatGPT generating ad copies, writing email sequences, creating content calendars. You can use ChatGPT to create high-converting ad copy, write SEO-optimized blogs, generate YouTube scripts, rewrite product descriptions, or even build a full marketing plan from scratch. If you're not using ChatGPT daily, you're already behind. Keycap 2 Tool number 2, Midjourney Runway. The second tool is all about visuals, Midjourney and Runway. These AI tools help you create stunning, scroll-stopping visuals in seconds. Midjourney creating social media graphics, Runway removing backgrounds, Runway generating short video clips. Whether you're designing Instagram posts, thumbnails, branding concepts, or ad visuals, these tools eliminate the need for expensive designers. Just type your idea, and boom, visual magic. Keycap 3 Tool number 3, Jasper AI. Next on the list is Jasper AI, one of the most powerful marketing-focused writing tools. Jasper creating blog posts, Jasper writing product descriptions, Jasper running A/B testing variations. Jasper is built specifically for businesses. It creates polished, branded, SEO-friendly content at scale, for agencies and brand teams. Jasper is a lifesaver. Keycap 4 Tool number 4, Notion AI. Tool number 4, Notion AI, the productivity giant. Notion automating task lists, Notion summarizing meetings, Notion generating project roadmaps. Notion AI learns your workflow, organizes your tasks, creates marketing SOPs, and manages your team in one place. If you're a digital marketer who handles multiple clients, this tool will save hours every week. Keycap 5 Tool number 5, Canva AI. Finally, we have Canva AI. Yup. Canva is no longer just a design tool, it's now powered with powerful AI capabilities. Canva AI generating full presentations, Canva AI enhancing designs, Magic Eraser removing objects instantly. With tools like Magic Studio, you can create ads, social posts, logos, thumbnails, and complete branding kits with just a few clicks. Even if you've never designed before, Canva makes you look professional. GIF bonus tool, AdCreative.ai, high converting ads, bonus tool, AdCreative.ai, perfect for performance marketers. Ad banners generating automatically center improvement statistics. This tool generates high converting ad creatives backed by real data. If you run Facebook or Google ads, this tool can literally double your conversions. So these were the top 5 AI tools every digital marketer should know. Plus a bonus, AI is changing the game fast, and smart marketers are using these tools to work faster, create better, and scale bigger. Thanks for watching. Must do like, share and subscribe.